In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Asana, whether you're wrapping up your day, switching devices, or using a shared computer. Logging out is a simple way to keep your work secure and your account protected. First, head to the top right corner of your Asana screen. That's where your profile lives. You'll see either your profile photo or your initials inside a small circle. It sits along the same top bar as search and notifications. If your window is very narrow or you've zoomed in, the header might feel a bit crowded, but your profile icon will still be tucked up in that top right area. Give it a click to open your account menu. This menu is your hub for personal settings, preferences, and quick account actions, so it's the right place to go whenever you want to make changes to your profile or sign out safely. With the menu open, look toward the bottom of that drop-down for the logout option. It's intentionally placed there to keep it out of the way of everyday clicks, but easy to reach when you need it. Go ahead and select Log Out. The moment you do, Asana will end your current session and take you back to the sign-in screen. That's your confirmation that you're fully signed out. A few quick notes to make this smoother. Logging out won't remove any of your work or settings. Asana automatically saves your updates as you go, so tasks, projects, and comments are all safe. When you sign back in later, everything will be exactly where you left it. If you had multiple Asana tabs open, they may show a sign-in prompt the next time you click on them, which simply means the logout applied across your session as expected. And if you're on a shared or public computer, it's a good privacy practice to make sure the sign-in page is showing and to avoid letting the browser remember your credentials. That's all there is to it. Click your profile in the top right to open the menu, then choose Log Out at the bottom. It's quick, reliable, and it keeps your account secure when you're stepping away. If you ever return and see the sign-in screen, just enter your usual credentials to get back to your workspace and pick up right where you left off. Thanks for watching. If this helped, feel free to replay the steps anytime you need a refresher, and keep your Asana account secure by signing out whenever you're done.